Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how my robot turn accurately by degrees using the international sensor in VEX IQ. So first, what this function does? So this function gyro turn, we have 4 parameters called target degrees, KP, mid power, max power. We rotate the robot until the gyro state it reaches the target angle. So if the target degree is positive, the robot gonna turn right, and if the target degree is negative, the robot gonna turn left. So for example, the gyro turn and we have the target degrees for 90, so the robot will turn right for 90 degrees. And example, like we have the gyro turn for negative 90 degrees, the robot gonna turn left 90 degrees. The second step is we're gonna reset the vertical rotation to 0 degrees. Inside the function, the first thing we have is this script. So that means we reset the sensor to 0 degrees, so our turn starts from the clean reference point. Second is the deadband. When we set deadband like the deadband is equal to 1.5. The deadband will mean if the robot is within bigger or equal to 1.5 degrees, we consider it good enough and stop. Because gyro had noise, we don't want it to keep vibrating forever. The next one is the error equal to the target degrees minus the current angle. So each loop we calculate the double error, the error equal to the target degrees minus the vertical rotation. This is the most important idea because if error is big, then we still need to turn a lot, and if the error is small, we slow down and finish. The next one is the proportional control, the P control. Then we convert error into motor power. Is when the error times KP. This is the P controller. The big error will lead to the bigger output power. The smaller error will lead to the smaller power. So it's slow near the end. And the KP is tuning number. If it's too high, it overshoots, and if it's too low, it turns slow and may not reach the target smoothly. The next one is the collapse max power. We limit the motor max power. So if the output is bigger than max power, times the output equals to max power, and if the output is smaller than max power in negative, times 2 output equals to max power in negative. That prevents the robot from spinning too fast, especially on big turns. And next is the minimum power. Is the overcome friction. This part is super important, and if the APS output is smaller than the mean power, when the output is equal to output is bigger than 0, then the mean power will be the mean power is negative. So because near the end output becomes tiny and motor might not move at all due to friction, so mean power renders the robot to turn until it reaches the deadband. Next is the training place. Now we apply the power. Like example in here, the move will equal to output, and output is negative, and we wait for 10 milliseconds. And the last one, if it stop motor, it means it stop the motor after you turn. Wait for 0.50 seconds and the turn. Thank you for listening.